Many functions of Model 3 are controlled from the scroll wheels on the steering wheel. To adjust the mirrors, tap Settings, and under Quick Controls, tap Mirrors. Using the left side scroll wheel, scroll up or down, or side to side to adjust your mirror. To adjust the steering wheel, tap Steering Wheel, and use the left-hand scroll wheel to adjust the steering wheel to your needs. The left control stalk has several functions, such as blinkers. To cancel a blinker, press the stalk halfway up in the opposite direction. To flash your headlights, pull the stalk towards you. If your Model 3 is equipped with autopilot, push the stalk away from you to enable automatic high beams. A quick press of the silver button does a single swipe of the wipers and brings up the wiper controls pane. Press and hold to activate the wiper fluid. The right steering stalk controls the car drive modes and autopilot activation. Push it all the way up for reverse, down one notch for neutral, and all the way down for drive. Pushing the silver button activates the parking brake. Cruise control is activated with a single tap of the stalk. If your car is equipped with autopilot, a double tap of the stalk will enable auto steer.